Wanna know how to deactivate or disable your Facebook account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings inside Settings and Privacy section. Tap on the search bar on the top. Insert here Deactivate. Tap on Account Ownership and Control option. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on to this blank section next to Deactivate, which has already been done, and tap on Continue to Account Deactivation. Keep your password before deactivating it. Tap on Continue. Tap on any of the reason that you are willing to deactivate your Facebook account for. I'm randomly going to select one, and you can even explain further for the reason of deactivating. It's just optional as well. So tap on Continue. Scroll down. Tap on Continue. So before you deactivate, if you would want to keep using Messenger, you can tap on this Keep Using Messenger. You can even opt out of receiving future notification from Facebook. Tap on it. And when you're done selecting all of the options, tap on Deactivate My Account. Just by doing it, you can see that your account deactivation has been successful. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.